Have you ever planned on watching a movie noma series kodwa wayithola ususcrolla uTikTok noma uInstagram kuze kuyoshona ilanga ugcina ungayibukanga leyo movie noma uma uyivulile leyo movie uyithole ususcrolla futhi efonini ibidlala imovie leyana. And siyenzekile kumina leyo nto a couple of times, too many times to count, yabo. And the idea of just sitting there for 90 plus minutes ulandele isitori esisodwa, it just feels boring now. And it wasn't always the case. Mina i-TV ngiyayithanda mfethu, ama-movie, itori nje ngiyayithanda, yabo, ama-TV show, yonke lento ngiyayithanda. Kodwa it's like it feels difficult now to focus on something for that long because ngicabanga ukuthi isazoqala lento kusamele ngihlale lewa 5 minutes ngibuka amagama ngingakusheshisa lokho, kodwa noma usuqedile-ke ama-opening credits kusamele ulandele le story lesi sisazosuka phansi ka-zero usifunde ukuthi okay isimayelana nani, obani ama-character nani nani. Yonke leyo nto uma uzoyiqhathanisa nama-video esiwabuka ko-TikTok, ko-Instagram, kuwumsebenzi. It feels like a drag for real because ka-TikTok awudingi yonke leyo establishment or yonke leyo warm-up, if I may put it like that. Ivideo nje kuba ivideo yeminute usuqedile usuyitholile leyo nto, uyahleka mayikuhlekisa, ikubasele mayikubasele, ucommente udlulele kwivideo elandelayo. It's like it's constant gratification, constant instant gratification. Every couple of minutes uyayithola leyo nto, or every couple of seconds, which each and every video uyayithola leyo nto, she like uqhubeke phambili. Compared to i-series noma i-movie, angiphathi i-series because idonsa kakhulu, yabo. Izinto uzosala kwi-cliffhanger kwi-episode yokuqala ize iyophela i-season. I-movie nayo ngokunjalo it takes time in order to get to that, or even if it doesn't take time to pick up, kodwa it's like ithatha 2 hours ukuthi uthole leya payoff, yabo, leya payoff lesiyaziyo ukuze uma kuphela imovie mhlambe uyajabula, uba naleyo feeling, noma uyakhala ukhihla isililo, ube naleyo satisfaction. Leyo satisfaction it takes too long engqondweni zethu, ingakho sometimes ama-movie sigcine singawabuki siwashiye kanjalo, even though uyazi ukuthi uhalela i-movie namhlanje uyayifuna, kodwa nje just the thought of putting it on and waiting for it to pick up, it just, yabo, ngani noma yenza mina kuphela yini lento le, but I know ayenzi mina kuphela. Angiphathi-ke ukufunda i-novel. That one, it's less stimulating than i-movie. It's even out of the picture. Abantu abasayifundi incwadi manje, myself included. I used to read quite a lot mfethu, kodwa manje I don't read at all. I feel like i-short form content isingilimazile engqondweni. I-attention span yami isincane kakhulu. Uma inkinga nginiki leyo njabulo noma lobo bumnandi as quickly as I'm used to getting it from instant gratification, it's like I don't even bother anymore as much or as quickly as I'm used to getting it go TikTok. Uma leyo nto inganginiki lobo bumnandi, it's like why even bother, yabo. Even though ngiyabona ngiyazi ukuthi ku-beneficial ukufunda incwadi nama-movie a-beneficial ukunayo le content engiyibuka la ku-social media, kodwa it's like I'm stuck in a ride that I want to get out of, kodwa I can't. Kodwa futhi mina odrivayo, uyayibona into engishoyo, because akekho umuntu ongibamba ngenkani engibusa i-TikTok kuze kuyoshona ilanga. That's how much short form content has hijacked our attention spans. I-payoff sesiyifuna manje, okwe-movie kuyathathela. We are overstimulated now. And it's not just the short form content, it's everything that we get instantly gratified from. It's the fast food, it's the drugs and the alcohol, it's the porn, it's the casual sex. I think i-lifestyle esesiyiphila manje, especially uma usemadolobheni noma usemalokishini, kuba ngcono uma ngisemakhaya kwamina. I can say that ngikusho kugcwala umlomo, kungcono uma ngingekho emakhaya, akho wifi uma kungcono uma ngisemakhaya, akho wifi, akho fast food kangako, even though uma phela uhlezi ethenga lokudla lokhu, kodwa akufani nala, yabo, especially the internet part. Ngithola sengibuka i-TV uma ngisekhaya, uma ngingekho ekhaya, uma ngila eThekwini, yabona kuba njena nje. Kodwa it's the whole lifestyle. These things take away our drive to pursue our goals. These things keep us average or mediocre. Lezi zinto lezi ngoba zisinika ubumnandi obusheshayo, zenza ukuthi singakwazi ukulinda noma sibe ne-patience ngokwanele ukuthi siphesue lamanye ama-goals ethu. Ngoba lezi zinto zisinika ubumnandi, sigcine sesiselisha for zona, siy'tshela ukuthi hayi no, impilo isinjena manje, because impilo isinjena manje, kodwa kusho ukuthi ama-goals esinawo azo-understanda wona lokho, or azonyamalala just because usuthole lokhu. It's like azivali leyo nto leyo void leyo, lezi zinto lezi, the drugs, the casual sex, the porn, nani aziyivali leyo nto. Iyona lento eyenza ukuthi uma ubuya emsebenzini ungenzi lutho, kodwa ekubeni unawo ama-goals. Abantu abaningi abasebenzayo have goals to start their own businesses. Even nami ngisasebenza benginama-goals okuqala i-content kanjena, ngivule ibhizinisi lami, kodwa bengingakwenzi lokho because bengithi uma ngibuya emsebenzini ngingene Instagram. Before ngene Instagram ngifike ngibheme insangu, ebese ngiyahlala ngiya-scroll i-internet, ngi-scroll TikTok, okay, hayi uTikTok, Instagram nje mina engikuthandayo, yabo. Kodwa ya ngibe nginazo izinto engizazi kahle ukuthi kumele ngizenze and isikhathi siyahamba, kodwa nje ngilokhu ngizibisa, and I would claim that I'm tired, kodwa kuyoshaya u-12 angilele, ngibhizi ngiya-scrolla ku-internet, ngilo ngiphuma ngiyangena endlini ngiyobhema la. Shaya u-12 angilele, yabo, mhlawumbe ngilale ngawo u-12, ngizovuka ekuseni ngo-5, ngiyayisola futhi ukuthi ngikhathele, I'll go to that job I hate, and just nje I would be stuck in this cycle. Abantu abaningi ba-stuck kule cycle lena ukuthi bayafuna ukwenza izinto ezithile ngempilo yabo, bayafuna uku-move on, bayafuna ukuphesua izinto ezingcono kunomsebenzi wabo. Abantu abaningi abayifuni imisebenzi abayenzayo, or abajabule ngemali abayiholayo, banaso iskill, banayo education, banawo ama-aspirations ukuthi benze into ezobafakela enye imali, kodwa lezi zinto lezi, as much as ngathini, uma usayibuka on the surface zona, they are not detrimental. There's nothing wrong with the short form content. There's nothing wrong with ukubhema, ukuphuza nani. They're not kanjani lento, angazizoyibeka kanjani, kodwa I think you get what I'm saying. Lezi zinto ngathini, there's nothing wrong with them on the surface, kodwa mase kuphela isikhathi eside ubhizi nalezi zinto lezi, it's like ziyakuphuca i-drive, intshisekelo yokuthi ulandele lezi ezinye izinto zakho. You may want to lose weight, kodwa manje you're not exercising because you claim you're tired from your job, you claim you don't have time to pursue that goal or to pursue i-exercise, because uthi awunasikhathi wena, kodwa i-screen time sakho sithi uspenda 5 hours ku-Instagram noma ku-TikTok. Mina ama-movie ngiyawathanda, that's why isihloko sale video ngisibeke ngama-movie, but I think abantu bazoyi-understanda. Mina ama-movie ngiyawathanda, nama-series ngokunjalo. Better Call Saul was the last series I watched, and I highly recommend that you go watch that shit. Better Call Saul or Breaking Bad, and that was like more than a year ago ngigcina ukubuka i-series nje. Phela kwamanje-ke sengiyawabuka futhi ama-movie. I'm watching at least 1 movie a day or 6 movies every week. Now I'm back to watching old school movies. These days I've been watching ama-movie ka-Al Pacino. I've watched izolo bengibuka izolo ngibuka uDenzel Washington, The Bone Collector. I've watched Seven. I've watched Scarface, I've watched The Devil's Advocate, I've watched The Scent of a Woman. Yabo, mina ngiyawazi ama-goals enginawo ngama-movie. I know ukuthi khona ngikufundayo ngama-movie. And I was confused when I realized this about myself. Ukuthi ngiqale nini mina ukubhorwa into engiyithandayo njengama-movie. And then I realized ukuthi it's this shit. It's all of these things I've been consuming. Kulula ungena ku Instagram yabo sengicela icelo elilodwa manje, but it's these things that I was doing. Kodwa it's like I feel fulfilled. It always feels worth it uma ngizohlala ngiyibuke imovie bese i-pay off ngiyithole ekugcineni. Noma ngithi ngiyawathanda even ama-movie akudala. Mhlambe mawuthi uzonotha la ma-movie ade ngiwamenshina lana. Ama-movie akudala, I even watched Sicario. It's a dope watch list le ngikunike yona mfethu. I used to have no social media mina a couple of years ago besides YouTube, because I didn't like the idea of watching people. Well, I always thought it was weird. I always thought it was something wrong. Why am I watching people, or why am I posting things for people to watch? It's like I realized ukuthi lento ingenza ngingabi mina, because ngizofuna ukuthi impilo yami mangiveza online ngiveze ngendlela engcono kunalokho eyikona. Nabantu abayivezayo impilo zabo online bayiveza bengcono kunalokho ebeyikona. It's like abalivezi iqiniso. Kukancane ubona umuntu ezokutshela ukuthi yazi mfethu kule nyanga mfethu the last 3 days before payday I didn't have any food. I barely afforded, ngibolekile imali yokufaka upetrol emotweni and stuff. Abantu abakuvezi lokho, abantu bayiveza uma sebeholile, uma sebethenga i-iPhone, sebeshaya i-trip, sebethenga ukudla. It's like I saw that for what it was, kodwa nami eventually it got to me. It really got to me. Ngawudownload Instagram and I fell in love with it. And I'm still in love with it. Kodwa I think that drive is back for me ukuthi let me pursue these things. Kodwa it's sad because drive ngithole ngoba usungiphelele umsebenzi, or when I almost lost my life. That's when I started making content. That's when I started my TikTok account. I-profile picture yami nje kona wonke ama-social media platform isithombe sami ngimabokoboko. Kodwa that's a story for another day. Kodwa it's like, as much as I'm back, kodwa I still struggle sometimes ukuthi ngine-target ama-video engifuna ukwenza ngosuku, kodwa sometimes I struggle. Sometimes I cope and say hayi no, ngizophumula namhlanje, I'll do twice as much ngakusasa. Even though ngingakhathele, it's just that lama habits lawa abhedayo. And what is the solution for this? I don't have the solutions. Most of these videos I make on this channel are just channels are just videos la ngibuza khona ukuthi, am I the only one who's suffering from this? Is it just me type of videos? Kodwa wonke umuntu uyayazi into ekumele yenze ukuze aphumelele. Wonke umuntu uyayazi into ekumele yenze ukuze aphume kule simo akusona. I think mina I'm just expressing, just spreading awareness, not just to the audience but also to myself, because kuyangiphoqa ukuthi ngihlale phansi ngiwa-script lama video, kuyangiphoqa ukuthi ngiwacabange, yabo, and just wake up nami ngiyikhumbuze ukuthi oh, I have goals and stuff. I'm not perfect by any means. I'm rambling now, but thank you for watching. See you on the next one.